Yorùbá àti rí wòlíì tó forí balẹ̀ fún ṣẹ̀ṣe a rí àáfà tó forí balẹ̀ fún ṣẹ̀ṣe kí ló dé tẹ máa sọ fáwọn ọmọ wa ń pé kọ́ máa ṣèṣìṣe why tẹ máa castigate ṣẹ̀ṣe as black they believe that anybody who is an Ogboni member is evil. PSM Nigeria is here to correct that notion. We are here to correct it that as progressive minded ìlú tó bá máa ṣoríire àfi kó ṣe ètùtù àfi kó rúbọ àfi kó ṣe bó ti yẹ kó ṣe kó lè gbó yẹ kó rí. That's why Nigeria is facing so much of problems because our people, our leaders have failed to recognize the position of Africa traditional religion. Our leaders have neglected the major religion in Africa, which is Africa traditional religion. Our leaders have decided to worship Christianity and Islam. That is balderdash. As progressives, we discover that that is the major problem we are facing. We discover that is the major issue we are having. You talk of Boko Haram. What is Boko Haram? Is there anything too powerful for the ancestors to do? Let Chinua Achebe and Idoma and say things fall apart. Obi as the major model in that particular novel was a typical believer of African traditional religion and he strongly believes in it. I strongly believe that if the Nigerian leaders, if our president Muhammadu Buhari, His Excellency GCFR, can consider Africa's traditional religion and partner with people like you, we believe that Nigeria will become a more peaceful home for all. It's unfortunate that during our swearing-in event, we only invite the pastors and the imams at the expense of the African traditional religion. Go ye and ask that senator, ask that honorable, ask that governor, if it wasn't through the instrumentality of African traditional religion he became that senator. Ask him how many balls and how many tutus he carried in the middle of the night to become a governor. Why then will you become a governor and neglect that sector? It is absolutely uncalled for. It is absolutely an aberration, and that is why the gods are angry, and that's why the gods are fighting Nigeria, and that's why the gods are punishing Nigeria. My dad is a Christian, my mom is a Christian, but I believe in African traditional religion. As a student of the prestigious University of Ibadan, I studied religion and I've vividly gone through my research. I've seen that indeed vanity upon vanity, all is vanity, that both all religions still have their source from African traditional religion. Why then should we as intellectuals keep on romancing our colonial masters who made us as slaves? There was nothing like Christianity and Islam prior to 1960. What we had was Africa's traditional religion, Africa indigenous religion. We call it Isheshe. Why then should we, because we've been colonized by some British colonialists? My role model, Fena Anikulapo Kuti, we call them Amunisi. We call them Amunileru. We call them Amunisi. If they are not Amunisi, where will you carry our Obatala? You carry our Shango. You carry our Ifa. You carry our Ogun. You carry our Oshun. You carry our heritage. Those things where we ask that, okay, oh, will I die tomorrow? It tells you, oh, you will not die if you do this etutu. But it's unfortunate that the Nigerian government, the African leaders are not helping issues. The Nigerian leaders have decided to help the Christians and the Muslim leaders. And it never came as a surprise when Pastor Ayo Ishajafo, immediate past camp president, was said to have conveyed money that was meant to buy armories to fight armed bandits, to fight criminals. They saw it in your own private jet. My people, one of the greatest Nigerian students. And these same pastors failed to release their private jet to convey people in South Africa when our people were being killed. Not until Onyema, the CEO of Airpeace, decided to release his flight. What then are we preaching? Why then are you telling our people to keep on paying tithes when the tithes are being used to build universities that that congregation members cannot send their children to. My mom is a typical Christian. My dad is a Christian. And I have never attended any institution built by Christians. Rather, I attended a public university named University of Ibadan. Now, Covenant University, owned by Living Faith Church, known as Winners Chapel, has skyrocketed at school fees to 1 million naira. When interrogated, Bishop Oyedepo said God instructed him to increase the school fees. Which God instructed him to do that? Are you telling me that the Odonis are not serving the same God we are serving? Are you telling me that the Buddhists are not serving the same God? Are you telling us the Hindus are not serving the same God? Then now we now start to make competition of God challenge. Look at our mommy, whom we are here to honor. She's looking awesome, looking radiant, looking beautiful, more wealthy than the acclaimed Pastor Mrs. Than the acclaimed Jesus. Why then you keep on depriving yourself of beautiful fashion that the Lord has created you with? You said, because my pastor say, your pastor say what? Who is your pastor? Go to the origin of your pastor. It's from either Idile Olorun or Idile Olosha or Idile Olukoso or Idile Osun. Why then our leaders twisting and brainwashing our people? Our mommy, as progressive-minded Nigerian students that has always been at the forefront of media activities, you are not unaware of our activities. We are always on the media on a weekly basis. We spend heavily to be on the media to make our activities known. We are seizing this medium to call on the Federal Republic of Nigeria to consider imploring measures through the African traditional religion to tackle the lots of insurgents in Nigeria. Because we believe that Ifa divinity, that the African traditional religion knows the answer to all the problems we are facing. We believe if you should ask Ifa the problem of Nigeria today, Ifa will tell us our problem and the needed things to be done. Permit me to speak in Yoruba language as an Igbo man. The Yorubas will say, Ọ̀dàlẹ̀ pàbí kò yàn, Ọ̀dàlẹ̀ pàbí kò yàn, onínúure pàbí, ó yàn pèrègèdè. Let President Muhammadu Buhari go on, let him consult. Let him tell us the problem we are facing. Let him lead us through. We have over 100,000 churches in Nigeria. None of them is yet to provide solution to kidnapping, to armed robbery, to Boko Haram, to Niger Delta militants. And of course, the African traditional religion, to us as progressive-minded students, remains the way forward at this time. Let our government at all levels, the state government, the Lagos State Governor, His Excellency, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, a man that believes so much in Africa, a man that believes in the unity of Nigeria, a man that respects African traditional religion, should look into prioritizing that particular third force of religion in Nigeria. Nigeria, as a nation blessed with over 200 million people, is known to have three major faiths, namely Christianity, Islam, and African traditional religion. Why then will we be having the inauguration of President Muhammadu Buhari or any other president in Nigeria, and you have failed to invite the Ààrẹ Àgbáyé of Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, or you have failed to carry along the African traditional religion? That shows hypocrisy. That shows that our leaders are hypocritical in nature. Because as a governor, ìwọ tó gbẹ́bọ, tó ṣètùtù, tó bọrí, tó ṣe, tó ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ jọ kìíní àná, tó ń dọ̀bálẹ̀, tó ń ṣe tó bá ṣe wà mọ́re, ó wá mọ́re tán, ó di kọ́ búra fún ẹ. Ó ṣe ní kó gbé Ifá wá àbí kó gbé Ògún wá àbí kó gbé Ṣàngó wá kó fi búra tó bá ti dalẹ̀ àkókò wa jẹ. Kí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ. And that is it. And of the greatest Nigerian students. To this man, these are the major reasons why we have single-handedly decided to honor you. We have decided to single-handedly figure you out of millions No doubt we have scams in African traditional religion, just as it is synonymous in Africa, in Christianity and Islam. But our mommy, your activity speaks volume. One anybody might dash your phone. And we've been following your activities for quite some years now. And indeed, we are convinced that you are worthy of emulation, that indeed you deserve this award. Of course, my own thought was that we were going to see TVC, CITC channels, see all of them. Because this is an award that is world televising. Sure. Jomafa might be the Yoruba Music Video Awards, but this is the mother of all awards because we are students. We are progressive minded. Our headquarters is in South Africa. We tackle international issues. We put the government on their toes. And we are seizing this medium again to put the government on their toes. That African traditional religion should be embraced. That is the only religion at this time that can give us a clear signal of what is happening to Nigeria. Once again, Her Royal Majesty Olomitutu Oshobukola, the Olori Abiye of Lagos State, the Oba Beni Allah worldwide. It's a privilege and a unique opportunity to meet you on this very fateful day, despite your very busy schedule. We once again appreciate you, and we are imploring you to do more. Don't be deterred by government policies. Don't be deterred by what the non-believers in African traditional religion will say. Just have it in mind that African traditional religion is the next thought force, and it is the way forward for our beloved Federal Republic of Nigeria. Once again, thank you very much for the opportunity. Aluta continua!
Victoria Sata!
I love Aluta!
I no go lie, na inside I go marry my wife. I never regret to be a comrade. Aluta continua, Victoria Asata.
Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much.
And of the greatest Nigerian students.
Great. Temper.
Please, that's speech from the Secretariat by our amiable president from the Nigeria for this month. Without wasting much of our time, we move to the presentations of the award, and that will be done by our president also. Please join me together.
Of the greatest Nigerian students.
Great.
Articulate Nigerian students.
Articulate.
Sagacious Nigerian students. I want to talk.
Talk.
I want to yarn.
Yarn.
I want to vibrate.
Vibrate.
I want to communicate.
Communicate.
I want to penetrate.
Penetrate.
I want to
Nobody disturb you. Disseminate.
Kulu kulu.
Temper.
Am I permitted? Yes, you're free. Once again, all protocols are duly and strictly adhered by the powers conferred on me as the President, Grand Chief Commandant of Aluta Forces of Progressive Student Movement PSM Nigeria. I'm highly elated, honored, and privileged to present this well-deserved PSM National Body Award, tagged PSM National Outstanding Leadership Award of Excellence, to Her Excellency, Her Royal Majesty, Oshobukola Olomitutu, the Olori Abiye of Lagos State Odoni Aborigine. Today, PSM Nigeria is awarding her as an icon of national development. This award is coming for no other reason rather than strictly in recognition of your enormous, impeccable, continuous, sagacious, proactive,
One Bosafa mother.
contributions to nation building, specifically in the aspect of youth empowerment. Before I make this presentation, I wish to salute our comrades who have actually despite the very little notice I gave to them, they still didn't fit to the here. Comrade Toby from Ekiti.
Of the greatest Nigeria student.
Great.
Comrade Olawuni Kayode from Osun.
Greatest Nigerian student.
Great.
Comrade Ayomide from Edo.
Of the greatest Nigerian student, you.
Great.
Funabites, Comrade Ibadan, I greet you. All other protocols are there. Ma, this award is presented to you this 4th day of October 2019. Assigned by my humble self, Comrade Okera for Best Man. Congratulations.
Another achievement, another achievement, another achievement, double echo, another achievement, another achievement, another achievement, double achievement.
Congratulations, ma.
Odùduwà ó ṣàlùtà nílé Ifẹ̀ kí ló wá ṣe wá o maya 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 mia maya 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 mia maya 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 Odùduwà ó ṣàlùtà nílé Ifẹ̀
Jésù Kristi, ó ṣàlùtà ní Jerusalem. Muhammadu, ó ṣàlùtà ní Mẹ́dínà. Kí ló wá ṣe wá o? Maya, 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 maya. Who is snapping us so that our pages too? Governor, where's your phone?
Then we will still do the picture later. Thank you. Please, congratulations for once again. Thank you very much. Please let us have our seat. Thank you. Congratulations once again, ma'am. We will love to receive response from you, ma'am. A response from the Harmony. Please, one put up for our moment.
gbòòsà
Nothing shall
discourage us nothing shall discourage us luta continua victoria sata àwọn aláwẹ̀tù nothing shall discourage us temper.
First of all, let me first introduce myself. My name is HRM Oshubukola Olomitutu, the Olori Abi of Lagos State, Ogoni Aborigine, the Ọba Obìnrin Alálà Ìṣẹ̀ṣe Àgbáyé. I appreciate you guys all.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
I understand all what you have been saying since, and I wish our government could just listen to what you have been saying, because that is when our problem have started in this country. Because I heard from my spiritual mothers and fathers that the independence that we are just shouting October 1st, we have independence. I heard that they received this independence with Ogboni certificates. They used the Ogboni certificate to give Nigeria independence. But today, there's nothing called like a Africa
Traditional religion.
Everything. They don't even think about us. They don't even recognize us. We have been fighting for them to give us one day one holiday day, a day for holiday.
Yeah.
If Muslims are celebrating the Ileya, it's
Christians.
ordinary Tunu
Tunu
away,
away.
they will give them holiday.
Christian Christmas.
Even Christians, they will give them. But I don't know. Like you said, we are working for these people.
Yeah.
That is why I'm telling my peoples, and that is why some of us we have meeting that we should stop working for pastors and Muslims.
Yeah.
We work for them to build their church.
Yeah.
They came to us to receive power for their church. They came to us to receive power for their mosque. But when they groom, when everything boom for them, they forget about us. Even our presidency, our governments. If we see, if the elections, assuming we have election is upcoming now, you will see them. You will even see car will be parking there. They will come mid in the night. They will be telling you we don't want anybody to see them. They will come in the midnight. Some will come around 12, 1 p.m. in the night. They will come and do work. They will come and carry sacrifice. You will see them. They will be giving you promises, heaven and earth. They will do this. They will do that. At the end of the day, they will just forget about traditional things. They will don't mind them. Don't mind them. So what I would just say is that we keep begging them to just, their support is what we are looking for. We will still continue to be begging them because they have power. Though their power is nothing to idols. Because they are so, like you said, Nigeria is not good, Nigeria is no good. We can't leave this country, go to another man's land. This is our land that we must stay. And we wish this land good. There are some things that we're supposed to have done that this country, they don't think we can be helpful for them. They don't see us as something, that somebody that they can need our help, which they always need our help. You will see them. Look at some Christian and Muslims. They carry their pastor on head. Disrespect, some women cannot give their husband, they give their pastors and their imam. But if they have small problem that the pastor cannot handle, they will come to us. If you do it for them, you will see them would be say, that is my woman is spiritual. That's my spiritual woman. That's my spiritual father. They will be thinking that what people will think I'm doing juju. People will see me as somebody fetish. People will see me. They are not proud of us. If you see, thank God we met 3 years ago at Isheshe, Ogun State, Isheshe Day of Ogun State. Yeah. You know that time I told you, some people are, when I decide to take up this job, some people are asking me, why are you doing this? You are still young. I said, let me do it. This is what God has ordained for me to do. My God has showed this for me, that this thing you must do. There's nothing I can do about that. And I've changed some youth life. I can mention 1, 2, 3 to 10 of youth that because of me, I've decided to take up this job. Some of you that they have even abandoned their families, God. They have forget about their family, all these things. Because of this, some people say, when I told one of my friends, she came to me for help. When I checked, I said, go back to your family. Ask them the kind of orisha they have in their family. He called her father told her that, so even for what I say, he said, go and sit down. It's kind of orisha that even though if you are not from Obatala, if you are a piece of Obatala, your life must change. Go back to your father's land. Tell them to appease this orisha for you. And then after that, come back to me. This lady today, even in his church, even in her church, she always boasts about, I'm a traditionalist, I'm an African. Because she told me, she said, when I told her, she had this kind of my bead, I made it for her. And I say, if you reach your church, why are you? She say, when I've been serving God all this while, what did I gain? I say you are not serving God, you are serving your church, your pastor. Your pastor, not your religion, not God.
Why don't serve our mother? No, sir!
I said you are not serving God. You believe in that religion, that's what can save you. At the end of the day, religion failed you. Now you are serving God. Because The same God they claim they are serving is the same God we are serving here.
Yeah.
This is my temple. We do service here every Thursday as if we have, as they are doing in the church. I preach to my people. One day, one of my customers came for work. We are not doing Ose Osha. We call it Ose Osha. That is what we do every Thursday. She now say, please, ma, can I join you? I said, no problem. Come inside. When she joined us, she said, I didn't say any different from church and this place. And even I prefer your preaching than church room. Ever since then, the lady has been coming to our house every Thursday. She always comes to our house because the way they think we are is not the way she met us. They think maybe we are shedding blood here, we are killing people, which is not. We are serving God. What we have believed in is what we are serving. Omi, open that place for them. Let them see. Go inside and on that light. That is my temple. You can go there. We don't keep human head here. We don't shed any human blood there. Yes. We only pray.
And here we have Obatala, and this is Origoto Orishewe, and here is Ajo Olokun, Ajo Okunuso, Ajo Onisobuchi, Ajo Tosoru, Vitalika, Tosopanika, Kilowo is Ajo, and here we have also portion for the new people that are just Larry Michelle, that want to be like our mother as well. So they have to come for it when it's their time.
Can we touch this?
I touch it.
For
We
prayer.
can bow. We can bow before it.
Yes, you can just pray.
Wow.
Ajo Olokun kó sọ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àdó. Wá.
Ajo kó wá fi lé wa ṣe ibùgbé. Ajo Olokun, Ajo Kristo. Ajo wá fi lé ayé ṣe ibùgbé báyìí. Kájọ kó wá ayé báyìí. Kẹ́rí bá ti ṣe kẹ́rá náà gbé gbà báyìí. Kájọ kó darí owó tó ń sún ayé òun yín báyìí. Kẹ́ má ṣe owó tí kẹ́ má ṣe owó láti báyìí. Lágbára ìṣẹ̀dá báyìí.
So, my brothers, as I was saying, that is our temple. We worship there. We give our God what we used to serve them. You know, God created leaves and animal for our own use.
Yes.
That is what we use here. Some people think, tó bá ti ṣàwo apàyàn ní ẹnìyẹn, bóyá tó bá ti ṣàwo ń sìn, ó máa gé orí èèyàn ní, ó máa bó òkú èèyàn nínú ilé ẹni. Thank God, that is our temple. We have our orishas there that will give food time to time. We know the time our orisha wants water, we give it water. We know the time our orisha wants fowl, we gave it fowl. We want the one that want cow, ram, we gave it. The one that have egg too, the one that need dog, we gave it to them. And they answer our prayers. Look at Orisha Ajé. They will go to church Monday to Saturday, Sunday to Sunday. They will go to church. But I'm not padà dé sọ wọn tí wọ́n rọ́jà tà, wọ́n máa bọ̀ nílé wa bí, àwa máa bọ ajé fún wọn. Immediately tí a bá ti bọ ajé fún wọn, tó bá tún ti rọ́jà tà tán, they forget about us. Wọ́n ti di aláwo, wọ́n ti di olórìṣà. But tẹ́ bá wá wòran sí these days, Ọlọ́run ti gbé àwa olórìṣà ga. Tẹ́ bá rí wípé láyé àtijọ́, tẹ́ bá pè yàn pé awo ni ẹnìyẹn tó máa sá ni ẹni dúró. Aláwo gan òkè lè nísìnyí àti lè ní jáde ká gba yìí náà kán sọ pé aláwo ló ń kọjá yẹn. Thank God ẹ máa ń lọ sí àwọn ìṣẹ̀ṣe things around. nísìnyí ẹ ṣe máa rí mọ́tò àwọn ọba ìṣẹ̀ṣe olórí àbíyè olórí àpènà olórí kìíní kan there is nothing like that before olóòrùn ló máa ń ṣàwò tẹ́lẹ̀ kò dé ṣe pé olóòrùn ni wọ́n bí kò ń ṣe wípé àwa èèyàn là ń fẹ́nu pèpè kúpè sínú ayé wọn ṣùgbọ́n ní ìsinyìí wọ́n ti ń rí wa tí ń jáde àwọn nǹkan kan wà àwọn ọ̀làjú kankan wà tí a fi sínú ẹ̀ look at before sir kò sí ẹni tó lè gbé sórí net pé aláwo ni mí but all over the world lane àwọn òyìnbó ti là wá lójú tí ẹ bá gbọ́ òyìnbó míì tó bá ń kí ifá ojú máa ti ẹlòmíì kan ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí yes tí ẹ bá gbọ́ bóyìnbó míì ṣe ń kí ifá ojú máa ti ẹlòmíì pé mo gba Yorùbá kọjá mo jọmọ Yorùbá nígbà táwọn gan ti gbàgbé orísun a ti gbàgbé àṣà wa ohun abínibí wa àwọn òyìnbó á wá sí Nàìjíríà wọ́n wá fọgbọ́n tàn wá with little change wọ́n wá ra òòṣà wa lọ wọ́n wá lọ máa
wọ́n wá sọ di gúgù
wọ́n wá sọ di gúgù.
àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ti hàn gúgù tell you even about Ifá. wọ́n ń gbọ́sọ̀ fún our mother.
gbọ́sà.
now Ọlọ́run ti wá help wa because tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn àṣírí kọ̀ọ̀kan wà táwọn bàbá ayé àtijọ́ tí wọ́n fi wọn àwọn ọmọ ó ti jẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn bàbá wa níyà àwọn bàbá wa ṣe ti ń wò ó pé a kì í júbà gbóògùn lọ sọ́run ó ti ń fi wọn àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ìdá ọmọ ẹ máa jókòó pé akílódé bàbá mi tí èèyàn lè wá kí là ń pè ní diabetes kí là ń pè ní fibroid àwọn máa ṣe operation fún èèyàn ẹlòmíì ẹ ṣe operation fibroid lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta á máa wò jáde which a ní nǹkan tó yẹ kó dá máa dàbí magic dá kò tí ẹ̀ ní gbérí mọ́ ṣé mo yẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin tí fibroid ti sọ di àgùn tí ò lè bímọ tó lè jẹ́ wípé nǹkan kékeré báyìí la máa fi wò sàn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti náwó tó ti ṣe operation wọ́n ti banú ẹlòmíì jẹ́ da ọ̀bẹ dé ní obìnrin míì bára ẹ̀ jẹ́ lórí pé lórí tí ò tó nǹkan kan tí àwọn bàbá yẹn ti wá fìdí ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ apámọ́ mi nǹkan báyìí la lè lò sí fibroid nǹkan báyìí la lè lò sí diabetes nǹkan báyìí la lè lò sí hypertension ọmọ ìwà òkà bàbá mi ẹ̀yin kan ju medical doctor lọ òun náà wá jókòó wá sọ ọpọlọ ìkalẹ̀ student of Federal Polytechnic Ado Ekiti níbi ibẹ̀ ni mo ti ní ending
great
nígbà tí mo wá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ mi wá further mo wá continue business mi mo wá because business mi mo read mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe business before kó tó di wípé some things happens to me tí mo fi gba iṣẹ́ tí mo ń ṣe mo wá jókòó pé kí ni mo lè ṣe o láti lè mú kí iṣẹ́ yìí kó rọrùn fún mi gbogbo nǹkan tí àwọn pípọ̀ yìí ń gba owó iyebíye tó fi ń ṣe operations la ní lọ́wọ́ tí a lè ṣe most of our doctors they use add something to heal it's not easy for them to use ordinary those things mo wá wò kí ló lè ṣẹlẹ̀ àwa fi ọgbọ́n kọ̀ọ̀kan I went back to school of nurse láti lè ní ìmọ̀ yẹn fún ìmọ̀ yẹn my brothers and sisters there is nothing like kò sírú treatment tó dàbí traditional herbs and roots.
Do you know ìwòsàn tí a yàtọ̀ sí ti dọ́kítọ̀? I know oríṣẹ́ tí a yàtọ̀ sí ti dọ́kítọ̀. Do you know ìwòsàn tí a yàtọ̀ sí ti dọ́kítọ̀? I know ìwòsàn tí a yàtọ̀ sí ti dọ́kítọ̀.
We are wasting money on pills and shock ordinary shock akọ̀mọ̀ àpò shock jẹ́ àwọn àṣẹ at the end of the day ẹ wo ti typhoid ẹ ṣì treat typhoid ẹ ṣe admit lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta kò tí tán lára tí ẹ bá lè mu àgbo fún 3 days ẹ tọ́ gbogbo tó wà lára yín dànù kí la wá nira wa lára fún kí ló wá dé tá àti ìgbà wò pé Ọlọ́run ní ìfẹ́ pàápàá jùlọ àwọn Africans Ọlọ́run ní ìfẹ́ wa gan with what God gave us. Mo appreciate wíwá yín and I appreciate your award. I really appreciate you very very much my brother. God bless you. Mo tún rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè wa gbogbo àwọn tó ń gbọ́ mi àtọ́jú tó ń wò mí everybody kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì kan jọ kán tiẹ̀ wò ó ṣe fún wa they should give us full backup but ọgbọ́n bóyá ká sọ wípé ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan ló ń pa wá lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí because these people they know the facts but they won't follow it they know the truth but they won't do it àwọn náà mọ òtítọ́ ṣùgbọ́n kọ́lọ́run jọ̀ọ́ jàre kó fún àǹfààní kó kó wọnú wọn kó jẹ́ kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kó lè rí àǹfààní ní ipò òkè yẹn bóyá tí àwọn YouTube bá tún débẹ̀ bóyá Ọlọ́run lè tún gba ògo jù báyìí lọ because ìrẹ́jẹ òun ni mo ka gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe sí but I pray to Almighty God kó rọ̀ wọ́n lọ́kàn kí wọ́n lè rántí àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù wọ́n lè rántí wípé àwọn kan ló fara jìyà òmìnira tí à ń jẹ lénìí àwọn kan ló fara jìyà ẹ̀ mi gbọ́ nínú ìtàn wípé ìmáàmù kan ni wọ́n lo kinní wọn àbí kírísítẹ́nì kan ni wọ́n fi gba òmìnira o after òmìnira náà ṣe gbé ẹ̀sìn àjòjì yìí wọlé ẹ̀sìn àjòjì ni some people wọ́n ní pé I believe in Christ I believe in Christ jíjú ọmọbọ ni Christ ti ṣe believe nínú ẹ̀ òyìnbó ni Jésù tí ẹ̀ ń sìn ẹ wá gbé kàlẹ́ndà òyìnbó sínú ilé ẹ wá ní ẹ̀ ń sìn pastors yín á wá máa tàn yín ẹ wá sick instead kẹ́ tọ́jú ara yín pastor yín á wá hanky lé yín lọ́wọ́ àti omi á ní kẹ́ fi tọ́jú ara yín tóun fún ara ẹ̀ bá ní anything ó máa gbọ̀nà lóyìnbó ló máa lọ tọ́jú ara ẹ̀ so kí ló dé tí àjókòó ká ronú ara wa kí ló dé tá à ń gbà kí wọ́n máa fi ẹ̀sìn àjòjì kan máa fi scam wa so mo rọ gbogbo everybody mo rọ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń wò wá tí wọ́n bá ní àǹfààní láti ní àyè ní government seat they should just appeal to our government to always remember that Africa traditional kò lè parẹ́ láyéláyé Ọlọ́run ti bá wa ṣe ń sìn ẹ̀sìn yẹn ó ti ń gòkè ju ayé ìgbà mo sì rántí ìgbà táwa kékeré there is nothing like all this we are doing wọ́n ti ẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá nínú ìlú kan bóyá lẹ lè rí babaláwo mẹ́ta àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ máa lọ bẹ̀ gan-an tó bá jáde níbẹ̀ wọ́n lè má kí ẹ mọ́ wọ́n ní ilé ìyá ọmọ ìyá yẹn ilé wọn náà ti jáde wọ́n máa ń sá fún wọn but these days Ọlọ́run ti ń gbàkóso Ọlọ́run yẹn kó tún gbọ́dọ̀ ó gbàkóso tán and I pray for you guys all lágbára Ọlọ́run iwájú báyìí lọ́pàá ibi tí ń ré sí iwájú lè máa lọ ìwé tẹ wá kà báyìí ní kábàámọ̀ kí ni mo kàwé fún bí ṣe le tó báyìí kò ní le mọ́ gbogbo wa ìrọ̀rùn gbogbo nǹkan tẹ bá ń ṣe látẹ̀lé lọ ló máa já sí fún yín I pray for you guys all thank you very much.
Kí Amẹ́ríkà gbòòsà fún ọmọdà.
Gbòòsà man, yo.
One Lassa fever for our enemies.
Lassa fever. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and on behalf of all executive of Progressive Student Movement Nigeria, we really appreciate you, and it's our pleasure to be here today.
Sorry, sir.
And also our pleasure to present this beautiful awards to you. Thank you very much, ma. Then we move to the closing prayer, and that is the end of the program. So, ma, we will love you to give us.
Yes, ma.
We are very new.
And I have a question. Mommy, are you from Ekiti, ma?
Yes.
Where in Ekiti, ma?
I'm from Ekiti and Osun.
Me, I'm from Ekiti, Kere
This
Ekiti,
is
ma.
from Oshuma.
Omo Kere me ama.
Our mommy, this is your son from Ekiti. Your son from Osun.
Yeah, that's very good. My families are here. Thanks very much.
You say why I mandated you that you guys must turn up.
You have to give me shinam too. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gba àdúrà mi o.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó gbàdúrà fún wa.
Kó gbàdúrà fún wa o. Hey.
Easy o.
Sorry, ma.
Original ni kò lè ó jábọ́ kò fọ́ ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ọmọ náà bá a sùn.
Original ni. We'll still have a group session with our mom anyway.
Àṣìwọ̀n ya picture pàpẹ́tẹ̀ yà àti tó dúró dé.
Ma, you're on live, ma, yeah. Live here, ma.
Sing for us now.
Sing for us, oh. Come on,
Alejo.
dance, oh. Abi, may we sing our own of the greatest cover.
Cover.
Inside the struggle.
Ah. Tiwa ohun wa ma.
Omi gbẹ̀yàn lọ o, ìṣòro ayé wa o, omi gbẹ̀yàn. Omi ò láta, omi gbẹ̀yàn. Omi ò lẹ́sẹ̀, omi gbẹ̀yàn lọ o, ìṣòro ayé wa o, omi gbẹ̀yàn. Oyeye Ọ̀ṣun, oyeye Ọ̀ṣun, oyeye Ọ̀ṣun. Who is not dancing?
Ìbà gbogbo gbarún mọ́lẹ̀. Ìbà yàmọ̀ ọ̀ṣun ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣẹ́ olóyè ayọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tó wà ní. Ọbàtálá ọba táṣà ọba takuntakun lóde rẹ̀. Ìbà ààrẹ ògbóni àgbáyé kábíyèsí ọba Adétóyè ṣe kábíyèsí o.
Kábíyèsí o. Kábíyèsí o.
Ògbóni àgbáyé. Ìbà gbogbo olúwa àgbáyé, ìbà gbogbo jáwéjágbó àgbáyé, mo ṣe máa lè jẹ́ kí bàbá ṣe o. Gbogbo etí tó wá ń wò mí àti gbogbo etí tó ń gbọ́ mi báyìí, àwa ní kábàámọ̀. Ó wá ṣe lè fún Elédùmarè máa ní pé bẹ́ẹ̀ fún wa. Bó ṣe wù bó ṣe kéré tó báyìí, ìbànújẹ́ ó kéré tóbi kò wá ní jẹ́ tẹnìkan. Ọlọ́ mi ò lápá mi ò lẹ́sẹ̀ báwo mi gbé igi lọ, gbogbo ìṣòro ayé wa lè ní Elédùmarè á bá mi gbé lọ. Báyìí la bá lé olúwa títí báyìí la bá lé omi. Láti èdè lọ bá ilé wa tutù fún wa tutù fún wa àti òkùnkùn ní sọdísọ bòjá wá fi ilé wa ṣe bùgbé wá fi ilé wa ṣe bùgbé àyè bá ti ṣe àárọ̀ náà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ wá sí bí báyìí wọ́n ní ẹyẹ ò kì í fò kó forí sọ bí ìkìlẹ̀ láyọ̀ tẹ dé bíbá ilẹ̀ máa padà sí. Ọ̀gáká ayé ọ̀ṣìmọ̀lẹ̀ olómi lè fẹ̀jẹ̀ wò láṣọ lè fi mọ̀ kí mọ̀ búra kò wá ní fẹ̀jẹ̀ yín wẹ̀. Ẹni lọ́lá pé ẹ tiẹ̀ dá ẹsẹ̀ wọ ilé mi léèní láti èní lọ ire owó ire ọlá báyìí kó máa jẹ́ ti. Ojú kójú báyìí tó bá nítorí pé ìtẹ̀ṣe lè ní òun fẹ́ wò yìí. Ògúnlákà ayé ọ̀ṣìmọ̀lẹ̀ á lọ fẹ̀jẹ̀ onítọ̀hún pẹ̀lú. Ojú kójú tó bá sọ pé torí ìtẹ̀ṣe lè ní o pé inú òun ò dùn sí. Ògúnlákà ayé ọ̀ṣìmọ̀lẹ̀ á fẹ̀jẹ̀ onítọ̀hún pẹ̀lú. Èṣù láàlú ògiri òkò báyìí á wá ṣe onítọ̀hún. Lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti wá bílẹ̀ ní báyìí ire owó ire ọlá ire ọmọ ire ayọ̀ báyìí á máa jẹ́ kú. Àwọn òdìdẹ wá gbé fún wa báyìí ẹ sì máa lọ fún yàn láwọ nílùú òyìnbó. Ní Aṣọ Rọ̀ọ̀kì bó ṣe wù kán lè ṣe lè tó àwọ̀dù yẹn ẹ sì máa gbé wọn. Ibi gíga gíga báyìí là ń bọ́jọ́ láti èdè lọ ibi gíga gíga báyìí láti máa rí ẹ wà nírú ẹ̀yìn. Gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko báyìí ayé wọ̀ wà nírú ẹ̀yìn. Wájú báyìí la máa lọ. Ẹnu mọ̀lẹ̀ báyìí tẹ nígbàgbọ́ nínú ẹ̀ àwa tún ti ń ṣe. Ayé wà ní fewé àti egbò wọn ò ní fi gbáre lọ́wọ́. Wọn ò ní fewé àti egbò báyìí wọn ò ní fi dalé yín. Wọn ò ní fewé àti egbò wọn ò ní fi dọ̀yàn yín. Wọ́n tẹ wá ń kà báyìí àkàjọ ilẹ̀ máa rà lórí àṣetì. So for everybody.
Betty wí ló ti rí.
Ọlọ́mi tuntun
Betty wí ló ti rí. Betty wí ló ti rí.
Ẹ kọ́ wa.
Èyí ẹ̀rí yẹn. Àrọ̀ fẹ́ràn mọ́. Betty wí ló ti rí.
èyí ẹ̀wí yẹn.
Àrọ̀ fẹ́ràn mọ́. Betty wí ló ti rí.
Àṣẹ.
Thank you.